Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to up your home beer brewing game. This is my first time ever brewing beer, and I am so excited. This hazy wheat beer uses local Utah honey and sweet citrus peel to create a medium sweet beer balanced with new German hops. Who knew? The orange honey wheat has a light wheat flavor, and the honey helps this beer finish drier than other wheat beers. This is an easy drinking and refreshing beer for those long, hot days of summer. This video is packed with value for anyone who has ever thought of brewing beer at home, and for those of you that may have attempted to brew beer at home before on your own. Now go ahead and smash that bell to get updates and notifications on how this beer fermentation progresses and for future brewing videos. Let's open the box and see what's inside, shall we? On top is a list of ingredients and the complete recipe. Ingredients include 1 pound wildflower honey, 18 ounces honey malt and flaked wheat, 1 ounce Mandarina Bavaria hops, 1 ounce sweet orange peel, 1 pound Pilsen Dry Malt extract, and 3 pounds wheat dry malt extract, and 2 grain bags. I call them socks. Bring 1 to 2 gallons of water up to 155 degrees, add your grains to a grain bag, tie it off on the side, and let them steep for 30 minutes between 145 and 155 degrees. Once your grains have steeped for 30 minutes, give them a nice rinse with some cool water and drain right into the grain tea. Discard the grains once they're drained, careful not to squeeze the bag. Top up your pot, anywhere between 2.5 to 5 gallons will work. Bring to a boil, remove from heat, and add your extracts. Now be sure to stir constantly as you're adding extracts so that they dissolve thoroughly and don't stick to the bottom and scorch when you apply more heat. Once dissolved, this is called the wort. Return to a boil. Add 75% of your hops to a mucilin hop bag and start your 60-minute boil time. During the final 5 minutes of your boil time, add your sweet citrus peel and the remaining 25% of your hops. After the boil, cool your wort as quickly as possible. A wort chiller is ideal. Add honey to dissolve. You want to cool your beer to between 70 and 75 degrees, and a wort chiller can do this in 15 minutes or less. Top up to 5 gallons and aerate simply by pouring back and forth between buckets. The final step is pitching the yeast. Pretty simple. Seal the lid tightly and add your airlock that's filled with sanitized water. Okay, so that's it. The beer has been made. Now all that's left is the fermentation process along with the bottling and condition. You can choose between a 1-stage fermentation process that lasts up to 14 days or a 2-stage fermentation process that lasts up to 20 days. Again, the entire process and the recipe and directions are in the description below. Leave me a comment and let me know how it turns out for you. I'm so excited. This is the first of many, many beer brewing videos that's going to be on this channel. So I hope that you like, subscribe, comment, smash that bell and get notifications, and man, let's brew some beer. Utah honey and citrus to bring local Utah honey and sweet orange peel. I'm never gonna get this right. Utah honey and sweet citrus peel to create a medium sweet beer balanced with new German. I was so close.